Good morning, guys. Welcome to infinityak channel. Let's start with our tips. Whatever the main things we're gonna discuss today, that is what have been cases when I'm in the beginner. So it will be more useful to you guys. Let's start with our session. Okay, the time is 11 a.m. Who are beginners to this video, please do watch the Zero to Hero playlist. It's completely free, available on YouTube, and the YouTube link in the description. As well as if you are beginners, just join our Telegram channel. Telegram link in live updates, live things, everything will be updated in the live market sessions. So be aware of the market and don't overtrade. And what is risk management, everything will be available on our Zero to Hero playlist. Don't miss the things, guys. And let's start with main tips. Most of them don't know how to trade and all. They first know the psychology points. That is the first and is position sizing. Most of the people, what they will do, if they have enough 1 lakh capital, they will whatever the money in everything will be put in the single basket. That makes the people to lose their complete money, or else they can make good profits. Out of 90%, there will be loss chances will be more. So whenever you have to trust someone, you have to take a trade at least 1 week. You have to paper trade in that account. I mean, you have to check it out their analysis. Either they're saying correct or wrong. We can go with that, or we can go for that, or else we can execute. We exit from that group, or just follow the thing first. Once you gain the trust, and you have to see the levels. You have to see the levels, what they are providing, what we have to do, and all. Once, in case, see, we gave the call yesterday, like it is in the range, and until unless breaks this zone we won't take. So based on that, and you can see there is a trend line. So a lot of the things based on technicals, most of the people has been traded. You can see these things when the market is in the sideways. In that time we have to analyze the market, and then we can give the calls. So based on that thing only, most of the things will be happen. If it in case it is formation of W pattern, you can see the buying patterns. This is a works. Most of them as don't know how to trade and all. Please, first thing, don't think you are the genius and you don't know position sizing and all. Just go to the websites. My website link also available in the website, and what is position sizing, everything will be available on the Twitter pin post is available. Just check it out. What is position sizing, how to keep stop loss, whatever it is, everything will be available on Zero to Hero playlist. It's mainly for the beginners. Most of them, I got a lot of messages like that, sir, we lose that much of money, this much of money. I asked them what was the risk management. They don't know what is risk management and that things and all. And second thing is psychology. When it comes to psychology, when you have to be like different from the market people, when the people are thinking that if market go up, we have to short the market. See that, you can see most of the after seeing this 5 minutes candle, most of the people will be take that, okay, market will go up, market will go up. But actually we didn't take a trade. After that, you can see that previously there is a breakdown. After that, exactly from the trend line, it has been making this resistance. From we can take a trade, and we can book the more than 1:1. This is our stop loss, and this is our entry. And if you ask me, trial SL, trial, trial, inside candle, trial. See, you can see that almost 1:3 or 1:4 profits you can book. After that, these resistance lines will be provided in our group, and this concept also explained in the Zero to Hero playlist. You can watch it out. That's thing. Always try to see the candles, what was the trend. Just follow the complete technicals and just watch the news, whatever the outside trend is going on, and based on that you have to take a trade. And must know the how to draw trend lines, and most of them don't know how to draw trend lines and all. For that concept, you have to draw how to draw and all. We'll be teaching in next videos. Today I'm thinking to start with the how to draw trend line concept, and that video will be uploaded to the Zero to Hero playlist also, and that will be in the live session, how to draw trend lines and all. That will be helpful to the most of the people. And next thing, you have proper mindset. You should not be fear. When you take a trade, it has to be comfortable. When whatever the money you want to lose in the market, then that money only invest on the market. If you have a lot of fear on the market, then don't invest the money in the market. Just go for the long term. Just go for long term and invest on the good stock like HDFC Bank, ITC, Tata Steel, some that good kind of stocks. We have a lot of the Hindustan Unilever based on your technical research analysis. You can take a trade. It's what I'm saying is complete educational purpose, guys. And just you have to take an advice from the SEBI registered. I'm not the SEBI registered, so only I'm just a mentor for the people who want to learn something and they don't want to trap with the people. So I got a lot of messages that they are losing a lot of money from the different kind of people. So I'm making these videos, guys. Got it what I'm saying? And I would like to say that don't mess up with the people and always trade. Don't trust anyone blindly. If you go for anywhere, you can see that you won't get anything. Just learn by yourself and watch the give the time to the charts and patterns, everything, and then trade yourself. You get the lot of money from the market. And if you want to make some good profits, and just follow us and just see our live analysis and what I am taking a trade, and everything will be available in the Telegram. Don't miss the guys. And one more thing is, next, you have to be take a trade in minimum quantity. When you are a beginner, you have to make a practice first. Directly, you should not enter the market. After entering the market, you see that after seeing, yes, this is a green candle, next will go up, you take a trade and you can keep the stop loss, again stop loss it. And you can see that again, you can see here after fall, okay, market is breaking the resistance, I can take a trade here, you can take a trade here, and you can keep the stop loss here, and again stop loss it. There is no target at all. Again you can see that yes, market is breaking down, and you can take it and again sideways, and you can lose the market in the decay. And after that, rare scenarios, you can see that this is the flag pattern, and most of them have seen this pattern. And even I was traded in this pattern. In the our group people also have been given this. You can see this negative flag, it is in zone, and after breakout and after short fill off also will be seen in this. Okay, so be careful, guys. And whenever you come to this market, you have to be careful. And this is the three things I made a mistakes, and never miss the stop loss. If target also, no problem. If you miss the target also, no issue. You should not never miss the stop loss, because we have to protect our capital from the market. Once if you lose some amount of money in the single trade, you can take a trade another trade also. If you lose all the money in the single basket, that makes you the risk. So most of them as doing the same, and proper risk management. If you had any doubts, our contact number will be, our mentorship is also available, the link in the description, you can check it out. And our company details, link tree, everything will be available, guys. Just ping us if you had any doubts. Doubt clear session is completely free. Oh, don't think that I'm pakka commercial like that. Okay. Thank you so much, and see you in the evening session. Okay. Bye. Jai Hind.